Hi everyone, welcome to A2Z Biomedical channel. Today we dive into the topic of top 7 plus 10 TMT missions in the world. Finding the right TMT mission can be a game changer in cardiology department. How we care for our most vital organ is our heart. Number 1. G Healthcare Model GT2100. Country of origin is USA. Features of this mission: adjustable incline up to 15%, speed adjustments from 0.5 to 10 meters 10 miles per hour, ECG monitoring capabilities, user-friendly interface, high weight capacity for diverse patients' needs. Usage of this mission: cardiovascular diagnostics and stress testing purpose using. Second one, Schiller, they are manufacturing cardio with 8102 model. Country of origin is Switzerland. Cardiovascular diagnostics and stress testing purpose using. Features of this mission: adjustable incline up to 15%, compact and space-saving design, integrated ECG monitoring, easy to read display for clinicians, lightweight and portable for varied clinical settings as well. Kinesis Treadmill, their manufacturer is Kinesis. Their making model is R1. Its origin from Italy. Features of this machine: incline up to 15%, speed, smooth adjustments for patient comfort. Usage of this machine focused on rehabilitation. Its design supports recovery processes and functional assessments for various patient populations. Cortex. Fourth one, Model Metamax 3B, they are manufacturing. Country of origin is Germany. Features of this machine: adjustable incline settings, integrated metabolic analysis capabilities, ECG monitoring, lightweight and portable design, compatible with various testing protocols. Cardiovascular diagnostics and testing purposes. Cardiac science, they are manufacturing the Q-Stress treadmill. Country of origin is USA. Cardiovascular diagnostics and stress testing purpose using. Features of this machine: adjustable incline up to 20%, customizable stress test protocols, integrated ECG monitoring, real-time heart activity tracking, high resolution display for easy monitoring. Woodway manufacturer, their making model is Forefront. Country of origin is USA. Features of this machine: slat belt design, minimizes impact on joints, adjustable incline up to 15%, continuous speed range 0.1 to 12 miles per hour, integrated heart rate monitoring and ECG compatibility. It's a durable construction for high patient volume. Usage of this machine: cardiovascular diagnostics and rehabilitation purpose. Other 10 medical grade treadmills which are not having much market share in globally. So we will discuss another top 10 machines. Allenger's treadmill, they are making from India. Cardiovascular diagnostics purpose using. Features of this machine: adjustable incline, integrated ECG monitoring, high weight capacity, user friendly interface. BPL manufacturer also doing manufacturing treadmill. It's from India. Cardiac stress testing purpose, adjustable speed and incline, ECG integration, lightweight design, compact for clinical use. Medistar 1500 model. It's from India. Cardio rehabilitation purpose. Adjustable incline, speed settings up to 10 miles per hour, integrated ECG, user friendly controls. Fourth one, Physio Tools treadmill. It's origin from Australia. Rehabilitation and diagnostics purpose using. Adjustable incline, integrated heart rate monitoring, compact design, ergonomic controls having in this. Fifth one, CardioCloud treadmill. It's from Australia. Cardiovascular diagnostics purpose using. Adjustable incline, ECG compatibilities, ECG capabilities, user-friendly interface, durable construction. Sixth one, RMS. They're from India. Cardiac rehabilitation and hospital diagnostics purpose as well. Adjustable incline, speed settings up to 10 miles per hour, integrated ECG, user friendly controls. Here speed settings up to 10 miles per hour, but its variable is there, not fixed for that. And Jiajiang Tianjin treadmill, it's from China. Cardiac stress testing purpose, adjustable speed and incline, ECG monitoring, impact and portable design, user friendly. A1 Kettler treadmill. It's from Germany, rehabilitation and fitness testing purpose using adjustable incline, integrated heart rate monitoring, user-friendly interface, compact for clinical use. Mindray treadmill. It's from China, cardiovascular diagnostics, adjustable incline up to 15%, speed range up to 16 km per hour, integrated ECG. Valvoline treadmill. It's from USA, cardiovascular diagnostics purpose using adjustable incline up to 15%, speed range up to 16 km per hour, integrated ECG.
If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know other devices also, please comment in the comment section. We will do next video on same devices. If you want to know regular videos, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell button and select all for further videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your full support. Thank you very much.